Very fast and easy how to move files to your SD card on the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. Very easy. First of all, you have to have an SD card on your phone, and you're gonna go to your My Files apps, and now you're gonna go to SD card if you want to see what you have in your SD card, or if you want to move the images, you're gonna go to your images and you're gonna select which of them you want to move. Select, and you have two options. You can select move, that's this option, or you can select copy. If the file is very important, I recommend to you to do a copy and then see if it was stored correctly to the SD card. So in this case, let's do move, and let's go back, go to SD card, and you're gonna select where do you want to place it. You're gonna find in which place you want to put it. Let's select this option, move here, and here it is. It has moved those files. Very easy. Select and move. Like, comment, and remember to subscribe.